All right, so today I'm going to, I don't know why this is backwards, but today I'm going to do easy, quick, dipped Oreos, holiday edition, I guess. Yes, you can buy them not dipped, and you can take the time to dip them. But I thought it would be easier, it would be quicker for them to already be dipped, and all you have to do is decorate them as you see fit. So I got this really nice holiday, and with the tin, the ones that you do, you can also put back in here. Like if you were giving this as a gift, the whole thing, you can use this box still as the gift, give it for the ones you've decorated. Now I wasn't even recording. See? Woo! I said open the box. Anyway, so this is how it comes in the box. Just 2 regular packs as if you were to buy them separate. This was, I think, $10, so you're paying for the 10. I think it would be a couple dollars extra for the 10, because when I went to Target, these were at least $3.50 a piece. And then what else did I say? See, I didn't even catch it. Oh, okay. Once everything's set and dried and you've decorated these, you can keep what comes in and put them in there like that. Like if you were gifting all of these to someone or setting it out for a party, or you can, you know, arrange it as you wish, put in some tissue paper, parchment paper, add that like confetti stuff and set it up that way. I'm probably, I don't know which one I'll do. Maybe I'll do parchment paper and set them in there, but I don't have any of the confetti stuff, so it might just be putting them on a tray of my own. But I'm definitely not getting rid of this tin. I love this. Use it for something. But yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, get a tray, and get started with decorating. Okay, so I'll start with the chocolate. Already dipped. That saves you a step. If you prefer to dip your own, do your own thing. All right, I think I'm gonna just take out probably 6 is good. 6 is probably good. Okay, so I have them all lined up here, and I have some chocolate already melted. So I think I'm actually going to do it to where y'all can see from above. All right, now I'm going to act like I'm a chocolatier and drizzle, 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 drizzle. Yes, that's just some melting chocolate I had. I decided to dip some, even though they're already dipped, but to dip them so that when I add the sprinkles, they will stick. Yeah. These are the sprinkles I got from Target. I can't remember how much, but they give you 4. Okay, so the one that I dipped, I'm gonna sprinkle these on there. I might do some more just because it's so many options. The other ones will fall off. Okay, and right here, I'm attempting to make a reindeer. I'm using little red M&Ms for the nose. Well, I guess I'm just making Rudolph. And just put the chocolate down first, and then you can place whatever little candy you're using. I have the candy eyes I got from Walmart. And putting those on there as well, if I can get it open. Yes, there we go. Now I'm working on the antlers. That part I just could not figure out at first, how to get them to stick. even with using the chocolate, but I figured it out. You'll see. So you just break them in half. I broke them twice after I broke it in half, that other little piece. I could have really left it on. Dip it in some chocolate. That just was not going to work for me. Trying to attach it to the back. Chocolate will make things stick, but it's not glue. This Rudolph got me stressed out. So we're going to leave this as it be. I tried to figure out how to do it. I don't know if that's even going to work. So, yes. These are the chocolate ones. Once they set, I'll have them all together. But yes, I am done with that one. All right, I'm back. And I'm going to do some more of the chocolate ones. So, yes. Let me get my chocolate going. Again, I'm going to add some more chocolate. This was the final stripe. Well, that is it, y'all. This is my final product. This is the best ones out of all the ones I made. The Rudolph came out pretty well, still intact. I love the white chocolate ones. Y'all see my drizzles. I mean, I'm a pro. What can I say? I mean, you can get like me. Watch the video.